Alright guys, we're back. Now all I can say is we just can probably do I just gonna like show you all the way in which I get there and all that stuff. And I'm just gonna do some grind offhand grinding. So I don't waste your time with all the things like that. Like Persona 4, I don't want this to be like Persona 4 where I show all the grinding videos and all that stuff. Because yeah, it'll be tedious for me to like upload and do all that stuff. So yeah. Anyways, let's get down here and speak to Trod. Alright, Trod, what you saying? Let's get in the caravan and stuff. Okay, you speaking.
I see. Magnificent.
Bro, I'm so shocked, like, bro, what the heck?
Such devotion to her father.
That's how a daughter should be.
Rest. Just how a daughter
I'm like, bro,
should be.
chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Like, bro, just chill out.
This
All the Rasha gets is power back.
caravan
There's nothing he
gives
can't
his
find, am I right?
heart.
Then we'll kick two
You to
with one stone. If everything goes according to plan, we'll find out where that hateful dumb Magus is.
The time's getting on.
Definitely.
Medea and I will stay outside. That's the last time we set foot in a bomb.
Every town like this. But you should spend the night at the inn and rest well so that you're ready to take on the world tomorrow.
Well, in the morning,
We'll leave for the Waterfall Cave.
for the waterfall.
Alright, whatever. Like be honest, like where does Yang be when I was inside the house, bro? Like where was he? We need some comedic timing with him. Good morning. Did you have a good rest? It was dark, so I can't be sure. But I think the little man you came with slept in his white outside the town gates last night. Anyway, have a safe trip. Alright then. Alright, let's go fight and do some questing. Alright. Yo, you got anything in store for me? Okay. Alright. So now let's go and get on. And yo, it's the girl that was by the gate last time again. What you saying? Welcome to Fairbury. This is the west gate. If you want to go and see the waterfall, you better be off leaving from the other gate, the one on the south side of the town. Oh dang. So wait, so you know what? I'm not gonna question it. You probably just went around. Hey, it's this dude again. Hey, what you saying? You roll up my boy Trod. What you saying? Wanna pull up? Bro, I'm the still it's the same person, bro. Yeah, start running. Start running. You better start running. Yeah, start running. Start running from me. You better do that. Bro, being so inconsiderate to people, man. For shame, for shame. That's all I can say. I still wondering how you'll get through it, but still. I was starting to think you got lost. Right, let's go to the Waterfall Cave and see if we can find that crystal ball. Medea and I will be right behind you if you have any trouble. Feel free to consult us. I'm sure there's nothing we can't solve if we put our heads together. Hey, away we go. You may take damage when battling monsters. Such damage reduces your HP when you cast spells. Hey, wait. That was a full stop, okay? Full stop, okay? Such damage reduces your HP. When you cast spells, your MP will be reduced. When your HP or MP run low, return to town and rest at the end. Your HP and MP will fully restore. Alright, so let me get a full range. You know what? Yeah, I think I can see. Yeah, okay, I think I understand where you came from, probably. Um, where the heck are they? I can't even see them, bro. Stereo monorail, mono help equipment. Line up. All right. Um. You know, I'm not gonna question it. I guess we can't see them. Get bodied. Ha! Look at that. Yang out there not taking no damage. Well, actually, never mind. Okay, he took some damage, but still. Get bodied. Dang, only 5 me? Yeah, Yang. You know what it is. Yang out there doing the damage. You should probably remember to receive. Three gold coins? Like, bro, what's that? Bro, how much is that, bro? But for real though, why can I not see the monsters? Is there something wrong with what I'm doing, or? Huh. I'm kinda curious. No, stop. 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 The ellipse appeared. Okay. Two experience and 3 gold coins. Okay. No, stop. Wait, stop. This is how I can die one of these times, bro. I can die one of these times just by doing this. Okay, I guess. We can't do nothing to that. Alright, now let's get back to what we was doing. Yeah, any spells I have? Alright, let's fight the one that looks weak. Ah, yes. Counting sheep. Ain't no way I fell asleep. Nah, babe. Yo, wake me up. Alright, so I know who I'm supposed to fight now. Bro, that isn't even pro. What's that? And no damage. Okay, that's damage. Alright. Gang, we be in this one right here. We are making sure this dude don't put us to sleep. Finally. Huh. Yang was like, nah bro, I good. anyways, get bodied. Get out of here. Yes, let's go! Level 2, let's go. Got some HP. Strength. Biden? What happened to me? What about me? No level up for me? Dang. Level for me, man. Dang, man. But yeah, we just can keep on the path and like not just detour anywhere else. I mean, we just could flee. Now I think about it, we just could flee. Only just a satire. Alright guys, we just gonna attack. Bomb. Get dead. Get dead. Get dead, bro. Let's go. Let's go. What I get? What I get? What I get? By three, okay. Okay. And we should be good. Alright, let's get in here. 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 Let's do it. Looks like we found it. Actually, I'd love to come in with you, but I can possibly put Medea in danger. I'm sure you'll do a fine job finding the crystal ball without us, Txng. We'll be waiting here. You be careful in there. Alright. You know, yeah, I can keep recording. I can keep recording, bro. I ain't stopping. We ain't stopping, bro. We ain't stopping. Alright, who we find now? Accelerate. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Dying, bro. Bro, we fleeing, bro. Nah, bro, we ain't doing that. We are not finding them like that, bro. So yeah, determines how much we find, how much people, how much enemies we find, bro. Because I am not gonna fight more than three or two. Cause that seems like a lot of trouble for us to fight. All right, let's see what's in there. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Press. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let me search around here and see if there's, let's go, treasure. Bro, why is there somebody in here? Alright, just one person in here. And he's not, bro, ain't no way. Thank you. Thank you, because that that was that stupid if that was gonna happen. 7 experience points, okay. And 10 gold, okay. That seems like a good trade right there. Alright, what are you doing in here? Like, what brings you here? I came to look at the waterfall and I stumbled upon this cave. Waterfall cave is so intriguing. I was trying to explore, but I've gone and got myself completely lost. Dang. Don't worry. I'll tell you where to go and get out of here and stuff like that. Honestly, I'm kinda happy that you got lost because one, you probably could have taken them off. And I kinda need it. Chimera wing. Yes, thank you. We need that. We need that. Definitely need that. Alright, so let me equip that. Wait, no. No! Okay. Right. Okay. Alright, this is kinda confusing but at the same time. I'm getting it, I'm getting it. I should have said equip now. Alright. So let's go the other way. No. Let's continue this way. Then we can like, yeah. Alright, just bro, why am I getting attacked, bro? What I do to you? This is gonna take long. Okay, never mind. Okay. Anything this way? Just making sure. I'm not missing anything. Okay, it seems like we're not missing anything here. No. No. Like, no, we're not finding you. Like, bro. Okay, so yeah, nothing this way. Dang, right when I came up. Let's go. Alright, need some too. Okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I'm trying to find anything in here. Anything of value here. Okay, that sound was crazy over here. We fleeing, bro. Flee. Hey. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Mm-mm. It is something where we can fight them for real. Okay, because I was about to say. I wasn't gonna fight them, bro. I am not gonna fight them. Yeah, you know what? I probably can like stop and then like do some. I can do like offline grinding. Let's go. Don't try that again with me. Don't use no frizz. Like you have Riz. Only just one damage? Wow. For shame, man. For shame. For shame. Let's go Yangus. But yeah, you know what? I can do some offline grinding because, bro, it's gonna take a while. So yeah, let me return to the yeah, I can return to the church and we gone. Dang. They actually wasted. It is like looking for a needle in a haystack. How are we supposed to find the crystal balls in here anyway? Did I actually waste it? Okay, I didn't. I didn't. Okay, so I didn't waste it. So we can go down the slow way, I guess. Oh Yang, stay in it, Yang. Yang, stay in it, bro. Okay, yeah, we got. Okay, Yang gotta get healed, bro. Bro, bro, no. No. Frick, no. No. Man, I was gonna use on Yang, bro. Dang. I shouldn't have waited like that, man. I shouldn't have waited like that. Nah. Time to flee. Bro, Yang just died, bro. Like, bro, really? Anyways. Bro, ain't no. Nah, bro. Nah. Nah, bro. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. A boy in a casket, never. Nope. No, I'm not risking it. Flee. Cause I just gonna do some grind off on. Then if I get to the boss, we record that, and then all that stuff. Because I'm not rushing it. I'm not rushing it. I do hope you realize that the princess and I have no intention to stand for in that cave. Alright then, let's use the Chimera Wing. Ain't no way this cast is just some slime with us, bro. Alright. Well, until we reach the church and stuff. Yeah. So how am I gonna save now? Your father, what you saying? Faithful servant of the goddess, how may the church assist you? Let's save. Yes. Alright. Well guys, it's outro time. Well yes, I do. I do intend to. Do some offhand grinding, as they say. Alright then guys. It's your boy Txng and Priest. And I'm out.